What is up, guys? Today it is me, Bart, and I'm going to be playing Among Us, so I'll get to you once I'm in the game. Guys, this is my Among Us character. You can see the crown has spikes on it, just like my hair, and I also... So, no one joined. Just gonna find the game. There we go. Okay. Wait for the game to start again. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Electrical? I gotta go to electrical. I'm just gonna swipe the card. I'm gonna move my face now. Okay, I'm gonna do this. There we go. Peace out. Emergency meeting. What do we got? What are we doing? What? No. Purple goes what? What does that mean? Purple goes what? What does that mean? What does that mean? Tell me. Tell me. What does that mean? You know what? I'm just gonna skip the vote because I'm just skipping the vote. I'm just skipping the vote. I'm just skipping the vote. Okay, no one was ejected. Okay, I'm gonna get electrical over with. Oh no, this one I'm gonna get this over with. And let's do this. Okay. One more. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna have to go to shields now. Why does that keep getting sabotaged? Okay, let me check the security cameras. Okay, pink went into reactor. Okay, red's coming in. Red is in. Okay. Okay, cyan. Cyan saw the security camera was on. Right there. Dead body reported. Okay, what are we doing for dead body? Plum left the game. Simp Cam left the game. Black. Who? Black. Proof. No, I'm just skipping. So. Why does everyone believe everyone? How does this make sense? Let's see if he was actually the imposter. I feel so dumb. I feel so dumb right now. Okay, I gotta go. I gotta go to shields. I am here. Shields. There we go. I just need to clear the asteroids. Okay, 12, 14. Okay, here we go. She's doing okay. I'm watching the taskbar. Okay, you're innocent. Okay, so, we cleared that Orange is innocent. Now the reactor meltdown is about to be done. So we're about to lose the game, and we're gonna see who the other imposter. Oh my god, that saved us. How did that save us? Okay, we got 1, 2, 3. We got 3 more chances to find this imposter. Cyan. You know what? I'm just going with him because I don't know if he's a hacker or not, but I'm just going with him. Because he or she, whatever, predicted black, so I am with them. With pink again. Let's see. If not, it's pink. What? How? Okay, I'll get you guys in the next round. So let's see what we are. This sucks. Absolutely sucks. One second, I'll catch you guys. Blue killed pink in front of me in weapons. Okay, going with them. Okay, if it's not blue, then it has to be purple. We'll never know. What am I doing? Okay, let's see where everything is. Storage. Okay, I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna get this. Okay, reactor meltdown. Gotta get that. Reactor meltdown. Okay, there we go. I mean, that doesn't. So let's do this. Okay, so this is going well so far. This is going well. Okay, dead body. Huh? 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 Reactor. Okay. So boy. 2 remaining. I don't. There we go. What? Why is Orange voting me? That's pretty sus. No one was ejected. Bart was ejected. Okay. Let's do this. See what that's for? Huh? Wrong place. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, that task is done. Okay, let's go to communications. Let's go to communications. Download data and communications. Let's do that. Oh, right here. Right here. Okay, download. There we go. Okay, that's done. Admin upload data. Dang it! I'm sorry if they say it's me. Okay. What? Black vented. Okay. Okay, that's good enough. I'm just gonna say it. I'm gonna say it. No, I'm just gonna say it. I am just gonna say it. Black sus. Dude. WTF. Okay, if it's black, I'm ending the video. There we go. Okay. Could be black. Who knows? Also checked it if it says victory. No! Okay, it's orange. It is orange. It's orange and I know it. It's orange. Orange. I don't care if I spelt it wrong or not. I don't know. I'll see. If it's red, I swear. If it's red, I am ending the video. No! 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 So guys, I hope you enjoyed Bart playing Among Us. So, here's a video right here. And a video right here. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.